போல்ட் எல்லாம் கலட்டியாச்சு. ஆனால் டயர் ரீகொண்டிருக்கோம். ஒரு உத்தையை ஒன்று கொடுக்கணும். ஆளால் ஒரு பக்கமாக ஒரு உதை, இந்த பக்கம் ஒரு உதை, இந்த பக்கம் ஒரு உதை, கீழே ஒரு உதை. அப்படி உதை கொடுத்தால் நல்லா ஓங்கி ஒரு உதை கொடுத்தோடனே அப்படியே டயர் வந்து வெளியில் வரும். அது வராட்டி ஓங்கி காலால் நல்லா ஓங்கி ஒரு உதை அப்படியே வெளியில் வந்துடுவார். ஓகே, என்ன பிரச்சனை என்று பார்க்கணும். When you have problem with sometimes the bracket bolt is very difficult to remove that's so tight. In that situation I don't want to break my shoulder or anything. Sometimes the bolt also broken inside, then the lift put a pressure on the bolt, and the bolt slowly, the height is not enough, then I put that again and I tighten that and I screw this up and tighten the bolt very firmly.
And the bolt is going to be loose, so it will the back tighten up.
I think the bolt is loose now. Yeah, I heard the sound. See? See? Now, this is the technique. Don't force your arm or break your shoulder or anything, you know. It's the easy way to remove the bolt. Use the jack. See, now the bolt is removing fast, easy. See, it's rotating now. Always have the problem because they are forced. See, look at this is rust. That's why it's not come out. Now it came out. Another one, I see. So the caliber bolt is moving very nicely, and use your technique. This is the easy way to remove the caliber bolt, other than break it. They see, and the bolt is come out. That's the problem. It's, see, the rust. That's the rust not allow you to remove the bolt. Now the caliber is free from the caliber bracket is free. Now we have another screw here. That the screw we have to remove, and then the brake pad, brake rotor is coming out. Brake rotor is so damaged. I want to change the brake rotor, and the pad is almost done. Finish. The other difficult part of the job is remove this screw. It's not very easy to come out. In that case, if it is not coming out, take a big hammer and kick the rotor around. And because this rotor is damaged, you know, anyhow I have to then kick a couple of times and spray WD. And now put the perfect screwdriver and see, it's coming out. That's the way it's easy. Don't mess up this screw. This screw is so difficult to get out. Or you can buy this one, very difficult to get one. That's why I have to be very careful here. Very careful. Keep the screw. Now the rotor is coming simply out. See? Okay. Yeah, put the new caliber and tighten the bolt, the screw, then put the bracket. The bracket bolt, put little grease on it and put that in the position, and then tighten it. The hand tight, and then use the socket. Put the socket and tight properly. With the hand tight is good. Yeah. Don't tight too much, and tight very nicely. tight, and